Good morning students. I am here for you and today I am going to tell you about the business chapter, that is a banking transaction. Unit first, banking transaction. Transactions mean exchange. Okay. So first of all, in this chapter we are covering the points like what is bank, means the meaning of the bank, then about characteristics of a bank, then the banks and post offices in financial transactions and types of banks. Okay, so however we not have the same type of bank and so different accounts in banks. So types of banks and the different types of accounts also. Then lastly we are going to discuss about the advantages of bank account. So let's see first about the what is bank. So what is mean by bank? Actually a bank mean this is a money exchange table where we dealing with the money, where we having the transaction of money, that is known as the a bank. And actually the bank derived the word from the Italian word banco. And another one, the French word bank. The both word having the same meaning, that is about the bank dealing with the money transactions, dealing with the money only. So here it dealing with the money and it accepting the deposits from the customers and it lending the loans to the people who those are require it. And it lending the loans in the form of rupees also, in the form of check also, in the form of draft also. So this is about the bank. Second, next we are going to discuss about the characteristics of a bank. So what are the characteristics? Again the same dimensions for this, the characteristics. Okay. So it dealing with the money. First, if bank means we have to analyze there is a money. They are dealing with the money. Then it is an individual firm. It is an individual company with a deal of money. Then about it accept the deposits from the customers. Okay, anybody can put their money into the bank. Otherwise they deposit their money into the bank. So it accepts the deposit from the customers, deposits from the all people. It lending the loans who require for purpose of agriculture, for purpose of education, for all field, for the business purpose also. So totally it accepts the deposits and it lends the loan to the customers. Then a payment and withdrawal. Many divisions has paying through the bank and the deposits can withdraw through the bank also. And profit and service orientation. A bank is a service orientation and profit orientation. It always seeks the profit. You know, bank whenever it gives the loan to the people, it gives on interest base. So it is a profit orientation and it gives a good service also. So that's why a service and profit orientation. Then about ever increasing functions. Always whatever it has the rules and conditions, that has the same conditions in the all banks. Such banks has the different but that is depend on their type of banks. Then about a banking is a business. A bank is a business which only dealing with the money, which only dealing with the money for transactions with the people. Okay, and name and identity. All banks have its own name and identity. Like Canara Bank, Vijaya Bank, Mysore Bank, India Bank, ICICI Bank. So number of banks are having their own identity. Thank you so much. Remaining part means the banks and post offices in financial transaction and types of bank. Tomorrow we going to see in the next video. Thank you.